gonna make some deep dish pizza, and we're gonna use the high hydration dough that we made earlier. And so to do that, we're gonna start with our cast iron skillet. We use about a quarter cup of olive oil in the bottom of it. It might seem like a lot, but that oil is going to absorb into the crust, and as it bakes, it's going to make a real savory crust. So we'll take the dough, really stretchy. I'm going to set it in there. This is 600 grams of dough for a 12-inch pan. So it might, if you have a bigger pan, you'll obviously need more, but about 600 grams is sufficient for a 12-inch pan to get a really nice deep dish crust. So I like to just press it down. Don't try to stretch it too much. Just press it, and as you press it, then it fills in the pan. Okay. Now we'll take pepper. We're going to use pepperoni tonight, but you can use any topping basically, and just press that in all around the edges like this. And as you press that in, it's pressing it out toward the edge of the pan. See that? Okay, so it's always best to start with the meat first, or the base topping, and you're just pressing that out. So, but different on a deep dish is your second layer is actually your cheese, because this is going to bake for 30 minutes, and the cheese will burn if it stays at a high temperature like that. So your second layer, so you just keep pressing that down, and you can see as it just kind of filling out the pan. So just enough to cover it. And then here's my basic pizza sauce, red sauce. It's in my book. We'll post the recipe. But the sauce covers the cheese, so it insulates it a little bit so it doesn't burn. This is what it looks like. It's very, very simple and very rewarding. Okay. Now, I'm going to a 425 degree oven. 30 minutes. And we'll take a look shortly. There we go. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Looking good. Here's the test. There it is. 23. So you want at least 210 degrees internal temperature. That way you know the crust is done. So it takes the guesswork out. So you're not dealing with a gummy or undercooked crust. So what I like to do is take it out of the pan and let it cool. So it just should lift out with all that oil nicely. Just let that sit there. Give it about 5 minutes before we cut into it. One little final touch I like to do is oil the crust. A little bit of olive oil, and then salt it with a little bit of kosher salt. A lot of people throw away the crust, but this will make you want to eat it. All right, so just cut. I'm gonna see how it looks. There it is, beautiful. And that's your deep dish pizza. Enjoy. Send me a picture of your final product.